In this devastation of my imagination's plane, the thunder god's kin, I'm dancing through the pain. Destination set for desolation's cruel embrace. Retaliation's echo held in a hollow space. Where's the refuge from this escalating fate? Only time escapes, ticking at a restless rate. But I will rise, I won't fade away. Every scar a story written day by day. In the ashes of my fears I find my peace. Through this unthinkable, my strength will never cease. Sweat drips off treetops while dreams come to a stop. Chalk shops and IHOPs, life's a relentless drop. No nourishment and punishment we tread, while the world spins on and we're left to dread. Promises are whispers lost in the air. Feet us down silent. Who is left to care? But I will rise, I won't fade away. Every scar a story written day by day. In the ashes of my fears I find my peace. Through this unthinkable, my strength will never cease. Each step I take, I reclaim my fate. Surviving the unthinkable, I still await.